Hello, this is David Taylor at Web Design Academy, and in this video I want to talk about a tour of the content management system that we use on our 2-day residential course, and we recommend to anyone who is looking to start in business as a web designer. So if we just go to this screen, what you're looking at here is a new page on a WordPress website. We're logged into the back of the website, into the admin area, and you can see down the left hand side we've got the classic WordPress menu, and we've gone to the Pages tab and we've clicked on Add a New Page, and I've given it the name Test Page. Now this is not what you would see in a standard WordPress installation. What we have done here is we've taken a WordPress installation and we have added a design theme to the WordPress installation, and they're designed to work together in harmony. And this design theme brings with it a method of managing content for pages and blog posts that we think is very user-friendly, very intuitive, and very easy to pick up. And the easiest way to show you is that here what we have at the moment is a completely blank page. And if I can just draw your attention to three areas. We have layout elements here, content elements. If I click on those, you can see them appear like so, and media elements. And these are all basically elements that you can drag and drop down into this white space, the page editing space. You can drag and drop them in order to build your page. So the easiest way to illustrate this is if I go first of all to the layout elements and I grab this element, which is a 50-50 or a half page width element, layout element. If I grab it with my left mouse key, drag it down into this window and let it drop, you can see that it creates a half width page element. Now if I click on the content elements, you can see that I have here a special heading, so I can grab that, bring it down and drop it inside the half page element, and then I'll go back to the content elements and I'll grab a text block, I'll bring that down and drop it underneath the heading element that I just placed. And you can see there is a wide range of other elements. Let's take this one, a contact form for example. Let me drag that down and drop it under the text box. Okay, so we've got three basic content elements there. Now if I wanted to edit one of these, all I do is click into them and it opens in a light box like so. I change the text, I can change the heading type, I can change the style, I can change the size, and I can change the color to any color that I like. When I'm ready, I can save that, and I can do the same with the text block, and I can do the same, click into the contact form, and there are lots of options on how I can manipulate the contact form to appear. Let me go back up to layout elements, and this time I'll drag another half width element down and drop it next to this half element, so you can see when I drop it, it appears next to it. And this time I'm going to go up to media elements and I'm going to grab the first one in the line, which is image, drag that down and drop it in my new half width element. And I could have dragged down any number of these other elements. And if I wanted to add an image here, I can do so by just clicking into it and then clicking on insert image, and that will allow me to import an image from the media library or from my computer, upload it from my computer if I wish. So in its most basic form, this is how the page editor works. What is so beneficial about this to a beginner is that it's very what you see is what you get. Once you have brought in your various elements to your page, you can publish that page here in the top right hand side, the blue publish button, and then we can go and preview the page, what it would look like in the front end on a web browser like so. And then we can go back and make some changes to the elements on the page here, update the page, preview it again, see what it looks like on the front end. So it's very what you see is what you get. It's very easy to drag and drop elements, move them around like so. You can also drag and drop whole layout elements. So I could take this half layout element here and I could drag it down somewhere else on the page if I wanted to. I can also alter the width of this element just by hovering over this arrow pointing left and click on it. It goes to 2/5 width. Click on it again, it goes to 1/3 width. And then I could make the column next to it 1/3 as well. And by clicking this little icon, what I can do is clone an entire element, layout element, and everything that's in it. So if I do that, you can see that it creates another third layout element with an image element within it next to this one here. So the nature of this, the fact that it is what you see is what you get, the fact that it provides you with these very easy builder tools, layout elements, content elements, and media elements, the fact that you can simply click into them and edit them and then see what they look like, the fact that you can grab hold of them and move them around, you can move them within elements if you want to, like this. This all makes it very easy and very fast for a beginner to start constructing quite complicated web pages that look really professional and are really going to appeal to your customers. If you go to the Examples tab at the Web Design Academy website, then you can see some examples of sites that have been built using this specific design theme with WordPress, and you can see the sort of level of sophistication that you can get to quite quickly because of the ease of use of this system. So there we are. That is an introduction to the content management system that we would be using on the residential course and using for beginners who want to start a web design business. It is incredibly flexible and incredibly easy to get some great results in a short space of time. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you on the next video. So bye for now.